Physics in Necrotic World, Season 6, Space, Episode 125, Story of Sight. Welcome, strangers. Astronomers from ancient Greece were watching space with their naked eyes as they studied the planets and what made them different from the star gang. There was a spike in curiosity. Galileo invents the refracting telescope, note the R, in 1633, and with that he discovered the four moons that were circling, well, the proper word is orbiting, Jupiter. This refracted visible light with the two lenses. Guys, we ought to remember the lenses. They were in Season 2. 60-meter reflecting telescopes were created in the 20th century on the back of growing demand for sight deeper into space and beyond our world itself. Edwin Hubble discovered that the Milky Way is not the only galaxy in existence, and all the other galaxies are moving faster away from us, so the universe is expanding. 1964 was when Robert Woodrow, Woodrow, and Amos Penzias, Penzias, proved that cosmic microwave background radiation is a thing, and they estimate that its temperature is negative 270 degrees Celsius. It is believed to be the relic radiation on the back of the Big Bang, and it is everywhere. 1968 is when they sent the first telescope into space, so then they could see ultraviolet, gamma rays, and X-rays. Telescopes are put on the top of mountains, so there is less distortion as the atmosphere is thinner. The ultraviolet radiation, the infrared radiation, the microwaves, and the radio waves are only partially absorbed by the atmosphere. Less than 10% of visible light is absorbed. X-rays and gamma rays are 100% absorbed by the atmosphere. You know, a way we can all die from cancer is by ionizing radiation if the ozone layer that absorbs ultraviolet radiation is depleted. Depleted, as in D-E-P-L-E-T-E-D. This means greenhouse gases that are naturally occurring keep us safe from being fried, like the guy in the earlier season who tried to fry the zombies in an ultraviolet experiment at the prison. Except we would be the victims. We would be the victims. Guaranteed ouch. Okay? So you have the astronomers from ancient Greece who were watching the planets and the stars and everything. You have Galileo with his refracting telescope in 1633. We have reflecting telescopes in the 20th century. And Edwin Hubble with the universe expansion. Robert Woodrow and Amos Penzias with their cosmic microwave background radiation. You have telescopes that are put on mountains because thinner atmosphere. You have the ozone layer that is required so we don't all get like ionizing radiation and get really brutal burns and fry ourselves alive. Yeah? See you next time at Physics in Necrotic World. This is your host, Rimona Christian. All out.